you'll become so powerful that no one will be able to tell you what to do. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. It's super crazy, guys, and it actually works. Hey guys, how are you doing? Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of the game Stick War Legacy for iPhone and Android. So with this mod, we can turn on unlimited gems. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that on. All right, let's see if our gems start going up. You can see the current amount right here. It's pretty bad, but hopefully guys, we can get those gems up to the top. So let's see what happens. Oh my gosh, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to get the Stick War Legacy mod for iPhone and Android. So let's get into the tutorial. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the website tweakmod.com. I want you to go type in Stick War Legacy, press install, and it's going to start downloading the mod. Now there is going to be one more step, guys. That is the verification. So what we have to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% for free. It's from the official app store, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, so it shouldn't take that long. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. If you play Stick War Legacy all day long, you know that it's pretty hard to play when you're poor. So let's just see what happens. You can see it is loading up right here. So yeah, it's just going to say I'm missing files. So I just need to download like 2 of these apps from the list here. So as you can see, it says complete 2 free apps to finish installing Stick War Legacy mod. So for instance, we have Underdog Fantasy, which says down run for 30 seconds. We have Family Island, which says reach level 11. We got all these different ones. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps, follow the instructions, guys. You're going to be all good to go. So that's how I get Stick War Legacy mod into your device, guys. It's so crazy. But yeah, this actually works on all devices. Yeah, you can see right here there's some other settings as well. You can see this is super insane, bro. So be sure to try it out. I'm gonna see you guys later, and peace out.